ServSafe Manager Practice Test Part 2. Question 1. The definition of HACCP Principle 4 in the FDA Food Code is limit, correct, analyze, monitoring procedures. Step 4 is monitoring the CCPs. Question 2. Which is a key component of safe temperature for eggs for immediate service? 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Immediate service eggs need 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 3. Which action is necessary for temperature to receive milk? 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius or lower. Milk can be received at 45 degrees Fahrenheit, but must be cooled to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. Question 4. What is the critical limit for maximum water temp for thawing? 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius. Running water for thawing must be 70 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Question 5. Which is a key component of dry storage humidity? 10%, 50% to 60%, 30%, 90%. Dry storage humidity should be between 50 to 60%. Question 6. Identify the correct statement about thawing food safely: in the refrigerator, under the sun, on the counter, in warm water. Safe methods include refrigeration, running water, microwave, or cooking. Question 7. During an audit, safe temperature for pork chops is evaluated by 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Whole pork cuts need 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 8. A health inspector will look for maximum time TCS food can be in danger zone to be 6 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours. Food must be discarded after 4 hours in the danger zone. Question 9. A food safety manager must remember that maximum time for cooling, total, is 8 hours, 6 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours. Total cooling time from 135 to 41 is 6 hours. Question 10. When monitoring delivery rejection criteria, one must look for correct label, intact packaging, cold temperature, ice crystals on frozen food. Large ice crystals suggest time temperature abuse/thawing. Question 11. The risk of illness from maximum time TCS food can be in danger zone is reduced by 6 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, 8 hours. Food must be discarded after 4 hours in the danger zone. Question 12. What defines the standard for light intensity in walk-ins? 100 FC, 10-foot candles, 50 FC, 20 FC. Storage areas only need 10-foot candles. Question 13. What is the main goal of minimum lighting in prep areas? 20-foot candles, 50-foot candles, 10-foot candles, 100-foot candles. Prep areas require the brightest light, 50-foot candles. Question 14. How does ready-to-eat food storage affect food safety? Under poultry, top shelf, bottom shelf, with raw meat. Root food should be stored at the top of the fridge. Question 15. When handled improperly, internal temp for roast beef causes 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes, 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Roasts require 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes for safety. Question 16. The risk of illness from raw poultry storage is reduced by top shelf, middle shelf, Above seafood, bottom shelf. Raw poultry goes on the bottom shelf to prevent dripping on other foods. Question 17. How should a food handler manage variance requirement? Sprouting seeds or beans, cooking burgers, serving salad, baking bread. A variance is needed for specialized processes like sprouting. Question 18. The most critical factor in cooking temperature for ground beef is 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Ground meats require 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 seconds. Question 19. Identify the correct statement about HACCP Principle 3, monitor, verify, correct, establish critical limits. Step 3 is setting limits, example, min temp. Question 20. What is the best practice for physical hazard, sanitizer, viruses, metal shavings, parasites? Metal shavings are physical hazards.